Cars we produce here are not just the most efficient for production, but also the highest quality.
Tesla, the trailblazing car manufacturer, has significantly changed the automotive landscape with its unconventional approach. The company's groundbreaking direct sales retail system has not only been emulated by startups, but also garnered envy from traditional car makers. Tesla's manufacturing prowess has also posed considerable challenges for its competitors, emerging as one of its strongest assets. In a noteworthy development this June, Tesla elevated its innovative efforts by opening its first Giga Lab in Chengdu, China. This facility, surpassing the typical retail store, also functions as an interactive showroom. Here, visitors are treated to a unique spectacle, witnessing the rapid assembly of Tesla's iconic models in an incredible 45 seconds. In this video, we will delve into the intricacies of Tesla's groundbreaking Giga Lab and how it's revolutionizing the automotive industry. But before we dive in, take a moment to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel. Tesla has been a consistent force in the realm of automotive innovation, continually making waves in the industry. This year, the electric car manufacturer unveiled its latest marvel, the Giga Lab, a groundbreaking concept store located in China. This multifaceted space not only serves as a retail outlet, but also transforms into an interactive showroom, providing visitors with a first-hand glimpse into the rapid 45-second manufacturing process of Tesla's iconic models. The Giga Lab standout feature is a factory display that highlights the prowess of an array of robots, seamlessly assembling a fully operational vehicle within seconds. Stepping into the lab, visitors are immediately enveloped in a captivating minimalist design, characterized by sleek steel and concrete elements, creating an ambiance that enhances the overall experience. Suspended at the center of the space is an unfinished Tesla Model 3 chassis, accompanied by massive red robot arms that are reminiscent of those found on assembly lines. This awe-inspiring spectacle not only showcases Tesla's cutting-edge manufacturing process, but also invites visitors into an immersive educational experience, unraveling the intricate mechanics of these state-of-the-art vehicles. Additionally, the Giga Lab offers a welcoming atmosphere with free seating and meeting rooms for guests to unwind and explore. Yet, the thrill doesn't end there, as fully assembled Tesla models take center stage, both inside and outside the store, providing customers with a comprehensive and immersive Tesla experience. These meticulously crafted electric vehicles, boasting elegant exteriors and intricately designed interiors, invite visitors to intimately engage with the extraordinary features of Tesla's creations. Whether one harbors a profound passion for automobiles, possesses a tech-savvy inclination, or simply holds curiosity for the evolving landscape of transportation, the manufacturing facility provides a unique opportunity to witness firsthand the ingenuity and meticulous craftsmanship involved in producing Tesla's cars, all condensed into an astonishing 45-second spectacle. The Giga Lab is also revolutionizing the automotive industry, showcasing a more efficient and cost-effective approach to manufacturing electric cars. Departing significantly from the labor-intensive and time-consuming methods of traditional car manufacturing, the lab's highly automated process minimizes the reliance on human labor, thereby enhancing production efficiency. In tandem with its innovative manufacturing, the laboratory places a strong emphasis on sustainability and environmental consciousness. Not only does its manufacturing process generate less waste and consume less energy than traditional counterparts, but it also actively incorporates renewable energy sources, including solar power, to fuel its operations. In an official announcement via its Weibo account, Tesla named the lab the most beautiful store in Chengdu, promising visitors an immersive experience of the magic of building a car in 45 seconds. The company bets that this will attract more car buyers to Tesla, providing a competitive edge in the market. Despite signaling a shift to online sales in 2019, Elon Musk's firm continues to heavily rely on physical locations for product distribution. The number of retail and service facilities has more than doubled in the last 4 years, reaching approximately 1,000 locations globally. While individuals can seamlessly browse, configure, and order a Tesla from the comfort of their living rooms, the option to visit a Tesla store and personally see the cars remains open. This dual-channel strategy reflects Tesla's commitment to adaptability, providing customers with the convenience of online interactions while maintaining the tangible experience of seeing the vehicles in physical stores. While the Giga Lab concept has the potential to elevate Tesla's image, it also serves as a catalyst for heightened engagement. Elon Musk, while considering advertising in the future, most likely recognizes the power of organic promotion, with the Giga Lab becoming a focal point for generating widespread conversations about Tesla, effectively acting as free advertising for the brand. In the fiercely competitive Chinese electric vehicle market, Tesla continues to maintain its leadership position, skillfully navigating the evolving landscape. However, with competitors intensifying their efforts daily, the challenges are evident. While online sales suffice in certain markets, the Chinese consumer values the in-store buying experience. Taking these factors into account, the Giga Lab concept emerges as a compelling strategy, poised to draw more visitors to the store and expose a broader audience to Tesla's cutting-edge technology and manufacturing prowess. In the dynamic landscape of the electric vehicle (EV) market, Tesla faces growing competition, compelling the company to explore innovative strategies for sustaining its marketing momentum and ensuring a steady influx of orders. Despite formidable challenges posed by traditional automotive giants, Tesla maintains a leading position, credited to its exceptional electric vehicles. The journey for Tesla, originating as a startup in the electric vehicle realm, was laden with hurdles. Yet, as a pioneer, the company not only surpassed expectations, but also undertook ambitious initiatives. If the endeavor to construct the Giga Lab concept store in China, Tesla would have undoubtedly confronted numerous challenges. The task involved designing a retail space capable of effectively showcasing the manufacturing process. This necessitated creating an environment where visitors could witness the manufacturing process seamlessly integrated into a retail setting. A significant investment in research and development would have been required to establish a highly automated manufacturing process that met Tesla's standards. The complexity of the lab's manufacturing process also demanded Tesla construct an intricate system of robots and conveyor belts, specifically designed to assemble a car within an impressive 45-second time frame. Ensuring environmental friendliness would have posed another significant challenge. Aligned with Tesla's commitment to sustainability, the lab had to be meticulously designed to meet stringent environmental standards. Navigating local regulations in China was probably an additional obstacle. With the country imposing strict regulations on foreign companies, Tesla had to adeptly navigate these constraints to bring the Giga Lab to fruition. Despite these formidable challenges, Tesla successfully built the Giga Lab in China, showcasing not only its manufacturing prowess, but also setting a benchmark for sustainable car manufacturing. This achievement stands as a testament to Tesla's unwavering commitment to innovation, sustainability, and efficiency, revolutionizing the automotive industry and establishing a new standard for sustainable car manufacturing. What do you think about Tesla's Giga Lab? Let us know in the comments section below. And don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel if you have yet to do so. Be sure to also hit that notification bell, because we have more interesting videos that you cannot afford to miss on the way.